Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Trading Signals. In this video, we'll see what are the important levels for Nifty and Sensex for May 29th, 2026. May 28th will be an holiday. This is a government holiday for Bakrid and market opens on May 29th. Let us see how the market behaved today, which is on May 27th. There was a gap down of approximately 50 points. Market opened somewhere here at 23,880 and it made an high at this level, which was 23,954. There was a level of 23,954, and again we can see there was a downtrend. Eventually, it did not touch this level, which is 23,858, and there was an uptrend at around 10 o'clock. Market was able to sustain the uptrend till this level, which is 23,972, and at around 11 o'clock we can see there is a complete downtrend. Market started falling from 11. These are the important levels which I have marked. If the market is continuing its trend, you can always go with the trend and make some profit. If you see market changes its trend or reverses its position, you can always exit the trade without making losses. Basically, all I wanted you to do is cut your losses short. If the market is continuing its trend, follow the trend, go for big profit. If there is a change in the trend, you go with the trend. And there are decisions level where you can take your decision and exit from the trade and continue. Either you can go with the uptrend or you wait for your setup. Once you have your setup, then you can continue your trade for the uptrend. Exactly at around 2:30, we can see there was a reversal and there was the uptrend. Market closed somewhere near 23.9. Now let us see what are the important levels for Friday, which is on May 29, 2026. I will delete all the drawings, then move the chart. If the market opens flat, you can always take these levels as your support and your resistance. For the immediate level, you have at 23,920, then followed by 23,935, 23,954, 23,972, and 23,997. You can use this support and resistance level if the market continues towards the uptrend. The first target will be R1, the second target will be your R2, the third target will be your R3 and R4 if the trend is towards the upward. If the market opens flat on May 29th, then you can take this as your support area, then you can take this as your resistance. This is also called as support area because of downtrend. Since from the downside, it will be resistance for the short. I will call it as R1, R2, then R3. You can use all these levels if the market continues downtrend. 23,858, 23,825, 23,807, 23,782. If the market is continuing its downtrend, you can always use these levels. You can mark these levels in your chart in a 5-minute time frame. Then you can wait for the continuation of the trend or you can exit your trade and cut your losses short. Now we will see what are the important levels for Sensex. For May 29th, if the market opens flat, market has closed here. If the market opens flat at this level, then your support area will be this, and this will be your resistance area. This will be your resistance 2. This will be your resistance 3. So the immediate level will be 75,905 if the market open flat, and 75,966, 76,013, 76,062, 76,134, 76,221, 76,334. And if the market has opened 100 points gap up, then this will become your support area. This will be your resistance area. You can use these levels for your trading. 76,134, 76,221, 76,334, 76,393, 76,475, 76,547. If the market opens gap down, and or if the market is opening flat, you can take this as support, then you can take this as resistance, then this will be your resistance. This is for the downtrend, and the levels will be 75,904, 75,806, 75,746, 75,693, 75,634. And if the market opens gap down of 100 points, then this will be your support area. This will be your resistance. You can use these levels to continue your trade if the market is going downwards. Delete this. I'll go back to Nifty chart. I will change the time frame of the chart to 15 minutes. We have the 15-minute chart here. And in the morning, if you see, in the morning, wait for the 15 minutes candle to fully form. Once the 15-minute candle is fully formed, in the 15-minute chart, use the Fib tool, mark the high and low of the first 15-minute candle with the Fib tool. Once you have marked the high and low of the 15-minute candle, then you can also mark the golden zone area. After marking the first 15-minute candle with high and low, and also marking the golden zone area, if you see the market is moving below the golden zone area, you can go for short. And if you see the market is going above the golden zone area, then you can go for long. I will delete this and move to 5-minute time frame. If you go to the 5-minute time frame, once you have marked your golden zone area, then now this is the first 5-minute candle, this is the second 5-minute candle, and this is the third 5-minute candle. After 15 minutes, if you see the market is trading below the golden zone, then you can go for short. You go for short here, wait for the level, then you can exit here. For the uptrend, if the market is trading above the golden zone area, take the trade here, enter the trade, then wait for the trade to continue. If the market continues upwards, you also follow the uptrend. If you see at one of the level market is going to change the trend, then exit the trade so that you have your profit and you don't make any losses. For the downtrend, you can see there was the breakout area here. Once you see the red candle and it is coming down of the level, you could have entered the trade here, then waited for the trend to continue. Market made lower lows and lower high. You can see this particular high was not broken. If the market would have broken this high, then we could have expected there was the uptrend here. Since the market did not break this lower high, the trend continued till this level. Now we can see the market exactly closed at the golden zone area. Now we wanted to see whether it is breaking out of the golden zone area or it is moving above the golden zone area for 29th. So whatever trend might be, you follow the levels and take your trade, make profit, don't make any losses. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content and if it is useful, please share the video and like it. Have a nice profitable trade on May 29th.